I'm reasonably certain that some of the organizers for the protest in support of the Malheur occupiers and the people that were righteously outraged at the murder of Lavoy Finicum conspired with Portland Police Bureau to forcefully segregate the counter-protesters from their rally and to use force and coercion with threats of violence to deny people their freedom of assembly and their basic civil rights. Actually, Portland Police Bureau, the city attorney, whoever these organizers are, Commander Westbrook, are all guilty of violating a U.S. code called Conspiracy Against Rights. I'll link to that law that they're all conspiring together to break. Admittedly conspiring together to break underneath this video. Notice how the guy with the cowboy hat there says, if you're against, you have to go across the street and these people will help you, referring to the police. I believe this guy's one of their primary organizers. This isn't right. I don't have a dog in this fight against right versus left. I'm standing up for what I feel is right. I believe the law is being violated here. What do you think? Please rewind and listen to this guy say that again. If you are against,
what? Why can't he be here, Commander Westbrook? There is no law saying they have to move.
He's having dialogue.
It is their right to be here, Commander Westbrook.
Conversation amongst America.
Give up your free speech. I'll explain it to you. They have a right to be here, Commander Westbrook. They have a First Amendment right to be here, just like anyone else, Commander Westbrook. That's an unlawful order, Commander Westbrook. You know it is.
These guys were all talking until you guys...
I have a pro bono attorney, and I will gladly give these two his phone number. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Here called an unlawful arrest on the bunch of protesters.
You know they have a First Amendment right to be here, just like anyone else, Commander Westbrook. You know that.
This is Sarah Westbrook. She's known for giving unlawful orders and shitting on the Constitution.
I checked with our city attorney.
She is a shitter on the Constitution. She waved her ass with the Constitution. This is the central...
That's unconstitutional, Commander Westbrook, and you know it.
Well, actually, I'm kind of on there. But if I can ask the mask isn't it? I can't have people here. There wasn't actually, it was kind of benign.
It was peaceful until you showed up, Commander Westbrook.
Yeah, now you got a bunch of people all pissed off that you're interrupting.
Here's the deal, dude.
These guys were having a conversation. Anarchists are allowed to talk with these guys.
I'm with that other crowd. It doesn't matter. If you're here to cause...
You have no authority over the Constitution, Commander Westbrook.
I'm not here to cause any
Yeah,
problem.
we know you like giving unconstitutional orders.
Cites anything.
Commander Westbrook.
Yeah, obviously. I know what inciting
You know about
rights.
the 1129
I didn't say that.
peddling incident. I was arrested during that for simply filming. You like to arrest journalists, protesters.
What authority do you have over the Constitution, Commander Westbrook?
She's trying to interrupt dialogue.
What authority do you have over the Constitution, Commander Westbrook?
why anarchists are! Because she thinks people in America shouldn't even have a fucking right to speak or say anything. She threatened me with arrest for being in the fucking street and filming because she doesn't like me. She doesn't like anyone that has any dissent.
All they were doing is standing here, Commander Westbrook.
This is a wedge.
That you and this guy here. There have been other people walking through here the whole time. This is like... I've been in this rally since we started.
Everybody step back on Zoom,
I've been here since the law will take you.
Well, we know they will.
Why don't you stop harassing citizens?
Can you just tell me the code then that allows that to happen? Deal with
You're mistaken.
Can we see your paperwork that gives you that authority, actually?
Hey,
You have no authority over the Constitution, our freedom of expression.
Mistaken, Bacon. There's still a freedom of speech in America on both sides of the fence, on all sides of the fence.
I don't need you to. I don't need you to agree with
These
me.
people aren't threatening each other, so they're allowed to have dialogue. We're allowed to have dialogue without threats in America.
You need to not be engaged in this crowd. I'm not engaged in this crowd.
All they were doing was talking, Commander Westbrook.
You just can't be. You can't be engaged in this crowd. Okay? They have a right to be here, and I'm here to make sure. Not if I determine you don't.
Whoa! So the police have fully admitted they have the power to strip rights away from the people. She just said it. She has the power to strip our rights.
Right here, and her name is Sarah Westbrook.
You have no authority over the Constitution, Commander Westbrook. You know it.
You can't.
Neither does your district attorney.
Just rewrote the Constitution.
These two have a right to assemble wearing bunny suits if they want to. Okay?
Everyone, is everyone okay with that?
They can wear their underwear on their head if they want to, Commander Westbrook. Underwear. If they want to, they can do anything they like, as long as they're breaking no law. I said if they feel like it.
I want to know how can you legally evict somebody from a public
They
park
can't.
in the daytime?
Their corrupt DA is trying to give them some color of law bullshit where they think they can circumvent your constitutionally protected rights, which is not going to happen.
Can I have your card?
Seriously.
You're a fucking dumbass.
No,
Not right now.
not right now.
You can reach in your pocket.
You can't
No
reach
one's
in your
gonna
pocket and
kill
hand
ya.
a business
No
card.
one's gonna beat you.
Why? No. Harassment in Oregon is touching you offensively. I'm not going to put my hands on you, pig. It's not going to happen. I want it because it's Portland Police Bureau's policy for you to give a citizen your business card.
Going on today.
He's not harassing.
You guys.
Harassment means offensive touching. You would think you being a captain, you would know that.
Are you rewriting the Constitution or just Sarah Westbrook today?
That's why we talk to lawyers.
I got your back, and my pro bono attorney will represent
Come out, don't know what you're
Sarah
talking
Westbrook.
about.
No crime.
If they arrest you,
Central
go
Commander.
look up.
It's a new legal precedent.
Yeah, you too.
It's a new legal precedent. A little shitty Central Commander precinct poverty pimp.
You're a
just
fascist,
rewrote
Commander Westbrook,
rewrote
and your
the
district attorney.
Constitution.
not going to do that yet.
You just rewrote the Constitution. That's great.
You're not going to be able to do
Yeah.
Are you Ben Franklin or Thomas Jefferson today? Who are you? Which one? Who are you? I don't,
Looks like Madison to me.
go get your fucking Ronald Reagan
Walk with
mask.
me.
Roger.
And then go get your George Bush mask.
I didn't know. Don't misquote. I didn't say all. I said most of your writing is
That's ridiculous. All you guys were doing was talking to him.
right. I would be nice after that little encounter.
Apparently, Commander Westbrook thinks she has roughshod over the Constitution.
Maybe you're.
Tell me again how the city attorney and the fascist the district attorney and you have a right to circumvent the U.S. Constitution. I love that part. What you're looking at is a freeze frame from the next video clip I'm about to show you. Notice how Commander Westbrook immediately reaches out to try to grab me, and how this wall of officers at her behest and prompting keeps me from being able to document the conversation she's having with one of these Malheur protesters. This is the behavior of the guilty. They're just so concerned with me catching the conversation they're having on film. It just smacks of guilt.
I need.
I need you not to touch me, Commander Westbrook. Why are you reaching out?
Don't be in our face. Don't be in our face.
I can film anything I want in a public sidewalk.
You can't be in our face.
Right, I'm not in your face. Where are my people?
They're over there with the sirens.
Right, good. Do not touch me, officer.
Get out of my space. You can't be in
I
my
can
face.
film what I like on a
You can't be
public
in my face.
sidewalk.
Don't bump into me.
You move towards me, officer.
I can move wherever I want.
I need cameras over here. Film me.
Take notice of the fact that when Commander Westbrook is by herself and she's no longer speaking with any of those Malheur occupier guys, the other cops don't seem to be adamant about protecting her personal space from me. It's only when I'm trying to document their conversation.